Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to show you the picture of my crochet case. It's all completed. There we go. A little flap, my flap, and then my little part where my button goes in. And then I did crab stitching on the side and a single crochet across the top. So there it is. And then I did come across here and do a single crochet also. My button's a little crooked, but it's okay, it fits. So I did apply my crochet hooks. So my crochet hooks are in there. Bring this down, and of course it is going to be a little snug because that's what you want. But the buttonhole size is perfect. I got a little straggler there, but so there it is. That is my crochet hook bag. And like I said, I have the little hangovers here, that way if at any time, like if I get a little crochet ball charm or something like that, I can dangle it from the side and you'll actually see it. So I just do little quirky things like that sometimes, but I make purses that have these little overhangs on the edges versus being straight. I like to give it a little character. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you're going to try this pattern yourself. So I will leave all the information in the bottom. And until next Wednesday on Stitch and Stacy's weekly Wednesday pattern, I will see you guys then. Happy hooking!